So the T. Bailey Growth Fund is a global equity product. It's looking to fulfill an allocation to global equities within somebody's portfolio.
Having a global equity portfolio, in addition to your UK assets, gives you important diversification. It gives you exposure to a much broader opportunity set. And that's, I think, important because if you look only at the UK, you're only accessing a small portion of the opportunities that exist in the world. Emerging companies around the world are definitely things you want to be exposed to.
So we do aim through the longer term to outperform global equity markets, but we also see that as being consistent with aiming to achieve inflation plus 5% per annum through the longer term.
So for an investor, the key thing is that your wealth is preserved, not just in nominal terms, but in real terms, i.e. above inflation.
In choosing where we allocate assets for the T. Bailey Growth Fund, we introduce natural biases where we think the longer term prospects are better for investment.
The portfolio itself is different in that it plays to important themes like healthcare, technology, things that are really key going forward in the next 10 years.
So these bigger themes we like to build into a portfolio which offers opportunities both in terms of protecting against risk, bringing new opportunities in terms of where we might make additional returns, and also bringing another level of diversification to what we do.
We want to make sure that we factor in growth opportunities over market capitalisation. Growth is forward-looking, indices are backward-looking.
The T. Bailey Growth Fund launched over 15 years ago now, and has been a great success for us through that time.
And if you have that longer term time frame, if you can ride out like we have those difficult periods of particularly 2008, 2009, and stick with the product, it's going to deliver what you expect.
I think we provide a great high quality service to investors that is well thought out, well constructed, well designed to meet their performance objectives.
So the investor that comes to T. Bailey with their money to be invested gets access to a small but experienced team led by myself and Elliot Farley, but with analysts that are responsible for sourcing the best, not always the obvious, but the best returners of performance in any sector, any theme around the world.
We can provide a high quality personal service to those investors.
And that's going to deliver over time a return profile that's going to beat UK inflation by 5% or more and preserve their wealth. And at the same time, we expect them to beat most of our competitors.